Bitaw. Isa na nakakita sa blue na wallet with yellow design na ay keychain from Thailand. No? Nakasir IDs na sulod. Pangalan sa owner Bernasier Alejandre. Kindly turn over din sa right side. Okay, facing the stage, left side of the stage, kindly turn over the wallet. Again, blue wallet. With yellow design, kung gusto ko makakita, importante tayo with IDs to siya, no? And a keychain from Thailand. Once you guys are enjoying the fireworks right there, please don't forget to visit the booths of our major sponsors for tonight, who have made this event, Sinulog, this Festival 2024 possible. Tanduay, we have Nasty. Oh, later on, speaking about Nasty, we have a game, and a lot of prizes will be giving out later on, so watch out for that. Ganito yung mga paduwang na i-add para sa inyo. And also check out the foods from our food stalls right there if you guys are hungry. And if you need some snacks, we have a lot of food choices for you to choose from. Very affordable and good while you are enjoying the night. We'll be with you until 12 midnight. And again, this is your host, DJ and Dynamite. Now we're off to our third DJ for this evening. But before that, do you want more? Again, do you want more? Yeah. And we'll give you more. Give it up for DJ Andy! Woo!